Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I am going to draw a fox, so let's get started. First, draw a round curve here. Now just follow with me. Now draw the body. Draw the leg. Just flying with me. Now draw two long big eyes inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. With three lines. In the mouth and the nose. Now we have a cute frog.
I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.